Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and this time I want to explain to you how to use a Bitmoji, which is like a digital avatar of yourself. It's very simple to create, and then you can use that avatar across Google Classroom, or you can use it really anywhere. In emails and things like that. So the trick to this first is you need a Bitmoji account. You would most likely sign up with an email, but you need the Bitmoji app for Android or iPhone. So if you don't have that, go look in your app store for that, and then you create an account. Okay, so you could do this on both for iPhone or Android. It also allows you to sign in with your Snapchat account, but if you don't have that, you can just sign up with an email address, and then you can use your personal email or whatever you want to do. So once you do that, it walks you through creating a digital representation of yourself. So after you have completed that on your phone, you then can use it on your computer. You can't create it on your computer. You can only create it on your phone and then access it on your computer. So let me show you what this would look like if you wanted to replace your Google Classroom header with a Bitmoji icon. Okay. First thing is there is a Chrome extension called Bitmoji. And if you go down here, Bitmoji for Chrome, you click that. And I already have it installed because you can see this little icon on here, and it'll say add to Chrome. So then once you add it to Chrome, you sign in with your Bitmoji account that you just created, and then you'll be able to access your little avatars. All right, now I've got that done. I've made my avatar. I think it looks cool. I've got my little icon submitted, and once you install it, this is what you'll do. You'll say get started, and you're going to sign in with your account. And it says, welcome back, you're logged in. So now up here, if I click this, it's going to have all of my Bitmojis and all these things that you can search and add icons, and it's a digital representation of yourself. So this will help out with kids. This is fun for kids too, and it adds an element of engagement for your class, okay? All right, I've got my Bitmoji created. I've got it signed into Chrome. Now what I want to do is put it in my classroom banner. So the first thing I'm going to use, and I will share this with you guys, is this copy of the banner dimensions. The banner has to be a certain dimension. So when you go to classroom.google, let me show you what I'm talking about here. And I'll have an example of a classroom here. This is Computer Kids. So here's one. This is the banner. So if I want to replace that with a custom one, this is what I'm going to be doing. Okay, so I'm going to go back to classes. Okay, here's my image. This is a Google drawing, and I'll share this with you guys as a template, but I'll walk this through on how you can create your own little cool looking banner. If you're an elementary teacher, you might just be doing one classroom for your class and separate subjects, but if you're middle school, obviously you could have different ones or whatever it is. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to insert an image from the web. So let's say there's something I'm interested in, like computers. And I do a little search. That looks kind of cool. What I could do is type in computers, clip art. Here's like a laptop. Okay, I'm going to insert this. Kind of cool. Notice it has this white thing around it. That is, you can tell the image is not transparent. So what you could do if you wanted to type in there is you could say computer clip art transparent. And now I could do something like this if I wanted to. Insert. And notice how it's not white, it's whatever color the background is. If I want to change that background color, I can. I can go to File and Page Setup. Oh, is it there? No, it's actually document details. Nope. Let's see where that is. Okay, so if you right click or control click the background, it'll say background, and you can actually change the color to be, if you want it to be transparent, you can. Or you can be, that's what the checkers means, it's transparent, there's no color, or you can just have it be white if you want. All right, well, let's say now I've got my computer and I want to add a title. So I could do a text box, and I could say Mr. Thomason's computer help desk. And I want to change the font maybe to be something different than Arial. That's so common. Maybe I could do this one and make that a little bit bigger. It's too big. Let's go down to 24. Something like that, okay? Now, what I want to do is I might be ready to put in my Bitmoji if I wanted to. Or I could do something else. I could insert another image if I want and say I want to have maybe a let's do transparent and let's say couch. These are all couches you can use. Or how about a standing desk? So let me see if there's something I can use. How about something like this? Let's see what this looks like. Here's my standing desk. I don't know, it's kind of weird looking, but I'm going to shrink that a little bit. And let's say I'm ready to put in my Bitmoji, if I wanted to. I'm going to go ahead and do my Bitmoji icon. And I'm going to say standing. Let me type in standing. Oh, it says the word standing. How about we do, let me do this. How about this one? Right click, copy image. So, okay, so if I click this, I can do copy image. Now I should be able to paste it. Yep. So there's this icon. I'm going to put it back here. And so now I want him behind my desk. Well, if you, again, two finger click or right click the image, you can put the order to it. So you could say send it to the back. And I could do something like this. And then maybe this desk is like lower or something. Something like that. Let's see. Let me shrink this a little bit. Fit it inside the line. Fit it inside the box. Maybe I don't even like that desk. You guys can put whatever you want. That will match your... So I'm going to put it over here. Okay, so let's say I'm done. I want to use this as my header. So I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to go to Download as a PNG. If your image is transparent, the PNG will keep that transparency. If you make it JPEG, it makes it white. So go ahead and make it a PNG. It's going to download it to the computer, and if I'm behind my head here, here it is. So now if I go to my classroom, I'm going to go to my sample class I've got going on. I'm going to change this one. And it says upload a photo right here on the header. I click that. I say select photo from computer. And I'm going to say downloads. There it is. And let's see what it looks like. So now it's showing me, hey, this is what your header looks like. You may have to adjust it a little bit. And I can do that. And there is my theme. And let's see what that will look like in there. And voila. Now, by default, it has this little gray overlay. And this title you can't really get rid of. So when you're making your header, just be conscious of that. Maybe you lower your text a little bit if you need that much text. Or maybe just put images or something like that. But that is how you can put your Bitmoji in your Google Classroom header. And let me know what you guys think, and thanks for watching.